All right. Some question is like, sir, can't you disable them permanently? Look, I can do that. I can do that. But ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? See, there is a trust factor which I place on the students. Okay, there is a trust factor which I place on the students, and that I want to retain it. See, I can again make, I can ask every student to submit your email ID, and I can, allow only those email IDs to log in. Everything can be done. But why? It is a place where you are coming to learn, and I'm here to teach. As long as our contract is very clear, there should not be any problem. And ಇಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದು in 10 classes ಒಂದೆರಡು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್, there is nothing that we are going to lose. Okay, chill. It's like, that movie, what when we watch it and suddenly somebody from, balcony in the ಕಿರುಸ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, this is that, nothing more than that. All right, let's come back to the sum. So right. Okay, can you see my, okay, you're not able to see my screen. Okay, so here it is X Limited, which has issued 10,000 shares of 10 each. Application 4, allotment 3, first call 2, and second call 1. So first pass entry for receipt, no? Pass entry for receipt. Receipt ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು entry pass ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? We pass the entry called as bank to stage. We pass the entries called as bank to stage. So what is the entry here? So it is going to be bank account debited. Bank account debited to what? Bank account debited to what is the stage? This is shared application account. What is the amount? Now the question is, what is the amount that I'm supposed to write? What is the amount that I'm supposed to write? So bank account debited to share application account. Good. So now what is the transfer entry? Transfer entry is stage to share capital. What is this? Okay, amount number illalla. So illi what is the amount? 4 rupees. Here it is 3 rupees. Here it is 2 rupees, and here it is 1 rupee. Okay. So bank account debited to share application, it is going to be how much? 10,000 into 4, it is going to be 40,000, and here also it is going to be 40,000 rupees. Next, transfer entry. Transfer entry is going to be, what is the transfer entry? Transfer entry ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, it is share application account debited to share capital account 40,000. So it is stage 2 share capital. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಶೇರ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? 10,000 into 3, that is 30,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ allotment, how much? 30,000. That is a receipt entry. Pass same way. ಉಳಿದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. Okay, I see that some of them are trying to join, but they are not able to join, correct? Okay. Now see, this we something call it as collateral damage. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So what is collateral damage? Okay. So we study something called as collateral damage in war. ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು collateral damage ಅಂತ ಒಂದು interesting concept ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is very simple. When US bombed Hiroshima and Nagasaki, US had nothing against those people from Hiroshima and Nagasaki. ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. They all the issue that they had with Japanese army. But the moment they bombed, some innocent, they had to lose their life, permanent, they became handicapped forever, all those things. So now when I see your message, I feel the same way, sir. Somebody is trying to log in, they're not able to log in. Look, logging in is very easy. They need to sign in. Okay, now all the difficulty is they're not able to find a way how to sign in. Okay, let them figure it out. On the 5-10 minutes, let them spend on it. But I'm pretty sure it is possible. Okay, so ask them. ಮರಳಿ ಯತ್ನವ ಮಾಡು. Okay, so let's so I hope that you're clear with the concept of dividing a sum into multiple stages. Now I'll give you one more sum which I want you to solve. Again, like similar sum, but amount matra ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But afterwards I'm going to increase the level of sums one by one. So now the sum is Z limited. Okay, you can't see the board, wait a sec, share screen, and yeah. Z Limited issued 1000 shares of 10 each, payable at application stage, 5 per share, allotment stage 3 per share, and first call it is 2 per share. Okay, so how many stages are there in this sum? How many stages are there? There are, quick answer ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಉಂಟು? Okay, there are 3 stages. If there are 3 stages, how many entries? It is 6 entries. Pass the 6 entries. Bega pass ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so what are the stages? ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು? 1000 shares. It is very easy to think. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ? ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು? 6 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ರಿಸೀಟ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ರಿಸೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್. ಅನಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದು? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್, ರಿಸೀಟ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್, ರಿಸೀಟ್. Okay, okay, pass the entries. All right, done. Okay, let's resume our class again. All right. Okay. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಎಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ABC ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ issued 10,000 shares. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅವರೇನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇದ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 10 rupees, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 10 + 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ, 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಆಮ್ ಐ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ 10 + 2. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 3 rupees. Here in application stage, sorry, not in application, what is this? In allotment stage, what are they collecting? They're collecting 3 + 2 rupees. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 + 2, 3 + 2, and in the final call they are collecting, in the first and final call they are collecting 4 rupees. Total ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, 3 + 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8 + 4, 12 rupees they are collecting. But here ಈ 2 rupees extra collect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. this is called as what? Answer. It is called as premium. Brilliant. It is called as premium. So once it is premium, ಈಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2. ನಾವು ರಿಸೀಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ವೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಸೀಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? Oh, okay. Okay, so there is mixed opinion. Somebody are saying, sir, adana residential treatment kodva. Somebody are saying transparent. Remember, whether it is premium, whether it is discount, it should always be dealt. It should always be dealt in transfer entry. It should always be dealt in transfer entry and not the receipt entry. Elli ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, we treat in the transfer entry. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಣ. So how many stages are there? There is 1 stage, 2 stage, 3 stage. There are 3 stages. So how many entries should come? Totally 6 entries. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So application stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ same receipt, transfer. Allotment stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ again same, ಯಾವುದು? Transfer, receipt. First call stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? 2 ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು. ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ? Transfer, receipt. As far as application stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ receipt transfer entry ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ರಿಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ debited to share application account. What is the amount? Amount is 10,000 into 3, that becomes 30,000. 30,000. Not 30 rupees, it is 30,000. I add extra 3 zeros there. Next, what is the transfer entry? Share application account debited to share capital account. Share application account debited to share capital account. What is the amount? It is 30,000. 30,000. Done. Okay. ಈಗ ಈಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? 2 rupees ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಉಂಟು, 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಉಂಟು. ಆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನೀಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೀತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ ವರ್ಡ್, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೇನೆ? ವಿಲ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಸಿಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು. 2 ಶೇರ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Good. That means you are focusing on the class. So it comes in transfer entry. So entry and pass ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ. This is stage. What is that? Which is the stage? It is share allotment account debited to securities premium to share capital. Securities premium is to 10,000 into 2, that is 20,000 rupees, and what is towards share capital? 30,000 rupees. So total ಆಗಿ ನಾನು allotment stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 50,000 rupees ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So when I actually receive that money, what is the entry? This is very simple. Bank to stage, bank to allotment is to 50,000. 50,000. Then pass the final entry. Again very simple. Transfer entry is first call account debited to share capital. When you receive it, it is going to be bank account debited to first call. Understood? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. Okay, great. So now, so you have understood the basic concepts. Now, let me ask you a question. Now, this sum you are supposed to do. All right, this is the bigger sum which I'm going to give you. A Limited has issued 40,000 shares of 10 each at a premium of 5 per share. Collection ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Application stage 4 rupees, allotment stage 3 plus 5, first call 2 rupees, second call 1 rupee. Okay. Pass necessary journal entries. Pass necessary journal entries. Do it. How many stages are there? Everybody answer. Quick. How many stages? Hey, ಅದ್ಯಾರದು 8 stage ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಓಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. It is 4 stages. How many entries then? is 8 entries ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ರೆಸಿಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ರೆಸಿಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ? It comes in transfer entry. So the ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, all these questions I'll answer once done with this chapter, then I'll explain the logic. Normally I explain first the logic, then I explain the chapter, but here let me explain this first, then I'll tell you the logic, what exactly is happening, and ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಬರೇ you understand the flow of it. Okay, take 5 minutes, do the sum. Okay. So we're able to pass the entries. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗಾಯ್ತು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ? All right, good. So what we are going to do is we are going to resume in tomorrow's class, and probably in 2-3 classes we will complete company accounts. Then all that will be remaining is a partnership and sole proprietorship. Very simple. So by the end of this month, we'll be able to complete your entire accounting. Anantradali, you will be left with one more month to revise. Much more than enough. We will conduct examinations as well for you to write, both online and offline. Online in the sense MCQs we will conduct accounting purpose ಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರೆಸ್ತೇವೆ ಕೂಡ. In all the subjects we will do it. And don't worry, we'll we will prepare you for your examinations. As far as examination is concerned, you don't have to worry. Okay, it is planned and we will execute it. The only concern for us as of now is, will they even conduct your examination? As on date, we don't know, but most probably they will conduct. Okay, because they at any cost they will not skip 2 attempts. Okay, all right. Is there any questions on today's class? If yes, you can ask now. Okay, all right. Let's catch up in next class.